Have you ever stumbled across the Aurum Foundation, promising sky-high returns, or maybe even boasting about a mysterious wear test review? Before you even think about clicking that sign-up button, let me give you the real story. First off, Aurum Foundation isn't a footwear brand. There's no sneaker, no indestructible shoe, nothing you can actually wear. The truth? Aurum Foundation is a digital platform flagged as a full-blown Ponzi-style crypto scam. They claim you'll earn 10 to 15% every month. Yep, that's up to 180% a year. Sounds good, right? But let's be honest, those numbers are pure fantasy. And it gets worse. Regulators like the FCA in the UK and ASIC in Australia have issued official warnings. Aurum Foundation isn't licensed, isn't regulated, and is probably registered offshore for a reason. Let's talk about withdrawals. Real investors are reporting they can't get their money out unless they pay random taxes or fees. Classic scam move. If you can't access your own cash, that's a huge red flag. And about that wear test you keep seeing in searches? It's a bait and switch using sneaker lingo to trick people looking for shoe reviews. In reality, the only product here is risky AI bots or crypto cards. No shoes, no legitimate service. Don't confuse Aurum Foundation with real companies like Aurum Funds or Aluma Capital. These are legitimate, regulated institutions with actual track records. Bottom line, stay far, far away from Aurum Foundation. If you've already invested, seek legal help and report it to the authorities immediately. When it comes to your money, always do your homework, and never trust a deal that sounds too good to be true.